Alrighty, hey guys, this is Jacey Bowers and we're back at Wabash and we're going to be discussing companion plants for your tomatoes, whether it's your fall tomatoes or your spring tomatoes. These are some herbs and a few flowers that go really, really well. So the first one we're going to be discussing is basil. People have been using basil with their tomatoes for a really long time. It repels aphids, whiteflies, and hornworms, which is our big one that we get a lot on our tomatoes is hornworms. The really good thing about it is that the scent is very strong. So anytime the wind blows or something along those lines, it confuses your pests. So it's an excellent thing to plant in your tomato bed. The next thing we're going to be discussing is sage. Sage is really awesome. It's an excellent herb. It also is really good at repelling slugs, flea beetles, and spider mites. Also, when it's able to flower, it's going to attract pollinators. And finally, with the herbs, we're going to go over chives. Chives is an excellent thing to have in our garden. When it also flowers, it attracts a lot of pollinators. It's edible, it's a perennial herb, and it repels aphids and spider mites. And lastly, we're going to discuss a little bit about marigolds. I don't have any right now because it's very hot, but you will never go wrong with planting marigolds with your tomatoes and really a lot of things because they repel mosquitoes, they repel aphids. Plant them along the edges though, because typically marigolds don't like as much water as your tomatoes do. But having a flower like that or zinnias will really help to deter pests and bring a lot of beneficial insects to your garden. And now you know.